Okay guys, to change the headlight in a Kia Sedona 2016. So the headlight is located kind of sandwiched between this case and the sidewall. So what you need to do is you need to take out this bolt here, which I've already done. Then you need to take out every single one of these pins to take out this top protector. Okay. So again guys, to remove this, you just pry this and it should pop up and it should just allow you to remove it, which I've already done, so I'm going to remove that. Then you get this grille that's kind of stopping the headlamp from any flexibility with moving it into a position where you can take out the headlamp. So you have to unscrew all these screws that have this fastened in. You got a screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, and a screw here, which I've already taken out. So that kind of loosens this up a bit, giving it enough flexibility to where you can actually pry out the headlamps. You're also going to notice that when this is in position, there's like this little plastic thing that it latches onto. Just unlatch it, and that's going to allow it enough flexibility so that you can maneuver this headlamp in a position where you can actually change the headlamp. So as you can see, by pulling on this, after you loosen this front grille by unlatching it, if you loosen this up, if you pry on this spot of the headlamp, just kind of lift up a little bit without breaking it, it frees up this headlamp. Give up the lamp a little bit from behind and just kind of move the front of the lamp inward, prying the top part out enough, as you can see here, so I can gain access to where the headlamp is located, which is right there. That cap unscrews, and I'll show you. So it unscrews, just twist it to the left, and it reveals the headlamp. That screws out to the left. Pull out the bad bulb, put in the new bulb, and then reverse the procedure, and then you should be good to go. I'll show you the final product. Alright, so the bulb is now fully functional after going through all that trouble. And for the record, I'm over here at Advanced Auto Parts, and these guys are truly amazing. Bought the bulb here. They provided all of the tools I needed. So if you need to replace your light bulbs, go to Advanced Auto Parts. They will set you up with the right bulb. And then if you need to replace the bulb, you know, on site and you need some tools, go inside, ask the clerk and the people working there, and they will assist you with the tools so that you can get the job done. Have a wonderful day.